What if you could build a faceless stick figure YouTube channel without drawing, without showing your face, and without hiring an animator? In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple, free AI workflow that takes you from idea to script to visuals to voiceover to a finished stick figure video step by step. And the best part, you are not starting from zero. You are going to model what is already working, then use AI to build your own version around it. So if you have ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel but felt stuck, watch this carefully, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the winning idea, write the script, generate the visuals, create the voiceover, and assemble everything into a video ready to upload. Let's build it step by step. Step 1, ideation. Every viral stick figure channel starts with one thing, a winning idea. Not a random idea, a proven idea that is already working on YouTube right now. And this is where most beginners make their first mistake. They open a blank document and try to think of a viral idea. That sounds smart, but it's actually the slowest way to start. Viral stick figure channels are not winning because they got lucky with one random idea. They are winning because they understand what their audience already clicks on. So in this first step, we are gonna let Claude AI generate those ideas for us. However, not just any ideas. Ideas modeled from stick figure channels that are already crushing it. And here's how to do it. Head over to Claude and create a free account. You don't need the paid plan to start. The free version gives you more than enough. Once you are signed in, open a new chat and paste this master prompt. That describes the engine of the whole workflow, and hit send. In a few moments, Claude asks you which channel you want to model. Pick a stick figure channel that is performing well in a sub-niche you actually enjoy. Stick figure self-help, stickman comedy, productivity stickman, philosophy stickman, motivational stick figure stories, anything. For me, I picked this stick figure channel called Simple Easy. Copy the channel URL from YouTube, paste it into Claude, and hit send. After that, Claude asks you to share the channel name and screenshots of the channel, the profile picture, the banner across the top, and the about page. So head back to YouTube, open your selected channel, take screenshots of those three things, and drag them straight into Claude. Type screenshots attached and hit send. In a few moments, Claude studies the branding silently and gives you a full branding brief, 5 channel name ideas, 2 channel description options, a logo prompt, and a banner prompt. Save those, we'll use them later when we build the actual channel. Then, in Claude hit next, Claude asks for video transcripts. So go back to the channel, click on popular videos, open one of the top performers, scroll under the description and click show transcript. Copy the full transcript, paste it into Claude, do this for 2 or 3 more videos and hit send. Now, Claude has the full DNA of that channel. Claude then asks, do you want me to generate video ideas or do you already have a topic? If you already know what video you want to make, type your topic. If you don't, just type generate ideas. And this is where Claude does the real deep analysis. It studies the transcripts and pulls out the channel's actual style, the hooks, the pacing, the storytelling flow, and the retention patterns that make people keep watching. In the same chat, Claude also gives you 5 video ideas built around that exact style. Pick the one that excites you the most, and that's step 1 done. But an idea is only the seed. The script is what turns that seed into a video people actually watch. So let's move into it. Step 2, script writing. The script is what keeps viewers glued to the screen, and this is where most stick figure channels fall apart. They have decent ideas, but boring scripts. No hook, no curiosity, no retention loops. Lucky for us, Claude already has everything it needs to write a winning script. It studied the channel, it learned the pattern, it knows what works. So once you pick your idea in step 1, send it back to Claude. In a few moments, it starts generating the script using the style DNA from the previous step. Before writing, Claude may show you the target word count based on the transcripts you uploaded. For me, it was 1,800 words. Then Claude drafts a full video script in under 60 seconds, matching the exact tone, pacing, and flow of the channel you modeled. It nails the hook, includes retention loops every 30 seconds, builds curiosity throughout, and ends with a clear call to action. Read it one more time. Make tiny edits if you want to add your own voice. Then copy the final version into a fresh Google Doc and save it. That is it. Your script is done. That's step 2. A script in a Google Doc isn't a video. You need visuals, clean, animated, stick figure scenes that make your channel look real. Step 3, create visuals. This is the part where your stick figure channel starts to feel real and makes people stop scrolling. Strong stick figure animations are the difference between a channel that grows fast and a channel that dies at 40 subscribers. Here is how we handle it. Back in Claude, the system asks you to drop a screenshot of some videos of the channel. These are just screenshots of the kind of stick figure scenes, characters, and backgrounds the channel you modeled actually uses. Go back to that channel. Open a few of their videos. Take 3 to 5 screenshots that capture the visual style, the character poses, the backgrounds, the colors, the overall vibe. Upload all those screenshots to Claude and type images attached. But do not copy their style exactly. Add your own twist. Maybe your stick figures have a single splash of color. Maybe a hand-drawn rougher line. Maybe a cleaner minimalist look. That way, your channel stands out instead of looking like a copy. Claude studies the screenshots and reverse engineers the visual style, creating what's called a visual style profile. The art style, the color palette, the lighting, the camera angles, the composition, the mood, everything that makes those videos look the way they look. This profile is locked in for every prompt that follows. After that, Claude generates around 20 detailed image prompts, one for every scene in your script. Now open Google Flow, the tool we're going to use for every single visual in this video. It is free to start, runs in your browser, and it gives you access to the 2 most powerful AI models on the market right now. Nano Banana 2 for images, VO3 for animations. Let's start with the images. Switch the model to Nano Banana 2. Grab your first image prompt from Claude and paste it in. Before you hit generate, do this one little trick. Upload a reference image first, something that shows your main stick figure character. This keeps every single image consistent across your whole video. Same character, same proportions, same world, same vibe. Now, hit generate. Within seconds, Nano Banana 2 creates a clean stick figure scene that matches your prompt and your reference. Download it. Repeat for every prompt Claude gave you. By the end, you will have every visual your script needs. Let's move now to the animations. Go back to Claude and say yes. Claude takes every image prompt and converts it into a cinematic motion prompt. So every still scene now has a matching animation prompt. Back in Google Flow, switch the model to VO3. Upload the image you just generated as your reference. Paste the matching video prompt and hit generate. VO3 brings that stick figure to life with smooth camera movement and real motion. It looks like something out of a real animation studio. Do this for every scene. By the end, you will have a full cinematic stick figure video library. No drawing tablet, no animators, no editors, just Google Flow doing the heavy lifting. But moving pictures with no voice is just a silent movie and nobody watches silent movies anymore. So in step 4, we give your channel a voice that sounds human. Step 4, generate voiceover. A voice is what gives your channel its personality. It's what makes viewers connect. It is what turns a random stick figure video into a brand. And the best part, you don't have to record a single word yourself. Head over to ElevenLabs, create a free account. It's the best AI voice tool on the internet right now. The free plan gives you more than enough to get started. Once you are in, click on the text-to-speech option on your dashboard. Now, grab the script you saved in step 2 and paste it into the ElevenLabs text box. Next, pick your voice. ElevenLabs gives you dozens of built-in voices: male, female, young, deep, calm, energetic. Pick one that matches the vibe of your channel. If your stick figure channel is fast-paced and comedic, pick a confident young voice. If it is storytelling, philosophy, or motivational, pick a deeper, slower voice. The voice you choose sets the entire mood of your video, so don't rush this choice. One more thing, pick one voice and stick with it across every video. That consistency is what turns your channel from random uploads into a brand viewers actually remember. Once you have picked your voice, press generate. In about 30 seconds, ElevenLabs delivers a voiceover that sounds like a real human. No robotic tone, no weird pauses, just clean, professional audio. Download the MP3 file. Save it in the same folder as your visuals. Now you have everything you need. Script, stick figure scenes, animations, voiceover, all generated with AI, all ready to become a full video. Now it's time to assemble everything together into a finished video your audience will actually watch. Stay with me. Step 5, assembling everything together. Now we have the script, the visuals, the animations, and the voiceover. So the final step is to bring everything together inside CapCut. Open CapCut on your desktop or phone, create a new project, and import your ElevenLabs voiceover first. Drag the MP3 into the timeline, because this voiceover is your foundation. From this point forward, every visual, caption, sound effect, and transition should follow the voice. Next, import all the stick figure images and animations you created in Google Flow, and then drop them onto the timeline in the same order as your script. Do not place visuals randomly. Match every scene to the exact moment the voiceover talks about it. If the voice says the stick figure looks confused, show the confused scene. If the voice says the character starts running, cut to the running animation. If the voice says something important is about to happen, switch to a more dramatic shot. That is what makes the edit feel intentional instead of random. Now focus on pacing. Try to change something on screen every 3 to 5 seconds. Whether it's a new scene, a zoom in, a reaction, a text pop-up, or a small animation. Long static shots make the video feel slow, but clean visual changes keep the viewer's eyes moving. After that, add captions. Use CapCut's auto caption tool, let it scan the voiceover, and then style the subtitles so they're bold, clean, and easy to read. Highlight to make the message stronger and easier to follow. Then, add sound design. Start with soft background music, like lo-fi, tech, or cinematic music, and keep it low around -15 to -20% volume so it supports the voice without covering it. Add small sound effects where needed, a whoosh on a transition, a click when text appears, or a small ding when an important point pops up. Keep it clean, not noisy. Finally, add transitions like quick fades, zooms, swipes, or glitch effects, but don't overdo it. One transition every 10 to 15 seconds is enough. When everything is synced, watch the full video from start to finish. Make sure the visuals match the voice, the captions are readable, the music is not too loud, and the pacing feels smooth. Then hit export. Choose 1080p at 30 frames per second. And just like that, your stick figure video is complete, built with AI, edited in CapCut, and ready to upload to YouTube.
Your brain deleted something today. Something you studied, something you spent real time on, and you had no idea it was happening. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. It's throwing away information it thinks you don't need. And if you're studying the way most students do, you're basically handing...
If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel, because every week I share simple AI systems that help beginners create content, build faceless channels, and make money online with AI. And before you go, click the next video on your screen, because I'll show you another beginner-friendly, faceless YouTube method you can start today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.